Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Teacher Perry. In this video I will actually be walking you through the steps that you have to take for you to be able to submit your CPD points. Remember, it is required by law that you happen to have those 120 CPD points accumulated on your profile for you to continue existing in the fraternity as a teacher and for you to renew your license. So since it's required by law, it's a must that you know how to do this, because you're expected to always update your points anytime you happen to be involved in a task that earns you some points. So now I urge you to fasten your seatbelt and take a dive with me. What you need to do is you open a browser. Let's do that. You open a browser. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Firefox, mention them, and then you punch in tcz.zm. After you punch this in, you hit enter, and what will happen is this window will actually pop up. So from here, since you've always been in the system, and all you need is to log in, so you need to scroll down here and then you hit teacher login. When you hit teacher login, you will see these boxes where you need to punch in your TCZ number or your NRC, and then you punch in your password, the one that you had created. In case you have forgotten your password, there's an option now at the bottom here where you have to click. Let me click there, and you see all these. It will bring up all this. It says TCZ number, NRC number, and then you will need to create a new password. And after creating the new password, you need to retype it in the box which is at the far bottom there, and then you hit subscribe, and everything will be submitted, and those are the credentials you're going to use to log back in. And after you log in, I will show you what you need to do. So first of all, let's log in. Okay, teacher login. So I'm going to punch in my TCZ number, my password, then I will need to make sure that I type in these the way they are. Let me demonstrate. CW6R, small letter T, Z. Let me stress out this. This is letter sensitive, it's cursive sensitive. So you punch in the letters the way you're seeing them. If it's a small letter, punch in the small letter. If it's a capital letter, punch in a capital letter. And then when you're done, hit login. And the next section is the most interesting, because I will be showing you how to enter your points. All right, so once you are in, you'll be able to see something like this, where you'll be able to see your TCZ number. And then they're saying your license class is primary school teacher certificate. Your license expiry date is, you see that? That is the 1st of January 2025. So if you want to submit your CPD activities, you simply hit here where it reads submit your CPD activity. So this window will pop up. It reads, I hereby declare that the information I will provide here is true to the best of my knowledge and belief, and nothing has been concealed therein. Okay, the information given by me is proven. Okay, I will have to face, if information given by me is proven false, I will have to face the consequences of the law. You can only enter your CPD activities for your current institution. Your head of institution will have to approve your submission, just like I had actually pointed out earlier on. your submitted CPD activity won't take effect until your head, they had made a mistake here, your head approves that. So the head teacher has to approve this. So it's showing that I'm at Kanyonyo. Okay, so now position subject teacher, you joined 2020. Okay, so now you get down here, you need to have those CPD points sheet, which shows the type of or the category of activities that you can actually participate in, and then it also shows the number of points that you accumulate upon participating or upon executing a particular task. So what you do here is you hit category, then you also hit activity. So let's do this one by one. Category, let me take on an example. If let me pick that paper so that all right, I feel that it would be prudent first of all I show you this, then I'll get to the form. Okay, so if let's say you were asked to present on calculus, you are a math teacher, or if you're a physics teacher, you were asked to present on nuclear degradation and then atomic physics. So since you are presenting, when you get here, we well know that when you happen to be the presenter, you happen to walk away with 15 points. So now, under which category does this one fall? Presentation. So it falls under professional presentation. So you when you click here where it reads category, you see all these categories here: professional, academic, management, presentations, right? If you were among those people who are just attending the CPD, let's check. Okay, so this one will be attending CPD programs within place of work. Place of work, because you had just attended. If it was outside place of work, you need to click this one. So what I'll do is I'll go down to where it reads professional, academic, management, presentations, and then activity. I need to click here. So you choose within one's place of work, evidence by presentation, paper, documents. Okay, down there. And then competence area, you also have to check in there pedagogy, okay, management, professional knowledge and ethics, ICT, professional knowledge and ethics. So that's pedagogy, right? Now, which year? I had actually recorded here the year in which I presented this. That was in 2022. So the year is correct here. Okay, then at the bottom here, name of CPD provider. So let me move up this one. Say enter the name of the institution in full. So here I'm going to punch in Kanyonyo Secondary. Kanyonyo Secondary School. Kanyonyo Secondary School. And then when I'm done, it's like the points are submitted automatically, because the category of the activity determines how many points you walk away with. So I'm gonna hit submit, and boom, you see that has actually been shown here. Okay, that has been shown here. And what will happen is for this to now begin to function, for this to be effective, the head teacher will need to approve this on the other end. Okay, and then the points will be added to those points that you have accumulated so far. Well, if you haven't subscribed, ensure that you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that anytime I happen to roll a video on such educative issues like this one, you don't miss out. This is your friend and your brother, Doc Mountain.